Welcome, space explorers, to a journey through the most terrifying planets in the universe. Today, we'll uncover the horrors that lie beyond our solar system. Buckle up as we venture into the unknown. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lurks out there in the vast expanse of the cosmos? From scorching hellscapes where it rains molten rock to planets shrouded in eternal darkness, get ready to explore the extreme side of the universe. Our first stop takes us to a planet so scorching, it would make Venus look like a tropical paradise. This isn't just your average hot summer day, folks. This is Coro 7b, a planet where the very ground beneath your feet is a sea of molten rock. Imagine a world bathed in the eerie red glow of its parent star, baking the planet's surface to a sizzling 2,000 degrees Celsius. On this planet, it doesn't just rain. It rains molten rock. Forget your umbrellas, you'd need a heat shield to survive a drizzle on this fiery inferno. Imagine traversing a landscape where the ground itself could melt beneath your feet at any moment. So, next time you complain about the heat, just be thankful you don't live on Coro 7b. Next, we journey to a world shrouded in mystery and terror, Glea 1214b, a planet that takes the concept of a water world to a whole new level. Imagine a planet perpetually cloaked in a dense, impenetrable fog, a suffocating blanket of steam and vapor that presses down on everything. You can't see the surface, you can't see the sky, just an endless, swirling mist. Glea 1214b is thought to be a planet-sized ocean, but this isn't the kind of ocean you'd want to go for a swim in. The pressure at these depths would be unimaginable, crushing anything in its path. And if the crushing pressure doesn't get you, the searing temperatures and toxic atmosphere certainly will. So while the idea of a water world might sound appealing at first, remember the horrors of Glea 1214b. Fasten your seatbelts, space explorers, as we blast off to 55 Cancri E, a planet that makes Mount Vesuvius look like a harmless campfire. This is a world consumed by fire, a place where the very ground is a raging inferno. Picture this, a planet twice the size of Earth, locked in a deadly dance with its star. 55 Cancri E orbits so close to its sun that a year lasts a mere 18 hours. But the real horror of 55 Cancri E lies in its volcanic activity. Volcanoes spew rivers of lava across the surface, creating a nightmarish landscape of fire and brimstone. Imagine a world where the air is thick with ash and smoke, where the ground beneath your feet could erupt at any moment. So the next time you roast a marshmallow over a campfire, spare a thought for the fiery hellscape of 55 Cancri E. Chapter 4, HD 189733b, The Glass Storm. Hold on tight, space travelers, because our next destination is a wild ride. We're heading to HD 189733b, a planet that takes the concept of a windy day to a whole new level. Imagine a world where the very air is a weapon, where winds whip around the planet at speeds of up to 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. On HD 189733b, the atmosphere is laced with silicate particles, tiny shards of glass that are whipped into a frenzy by the ferocious winds. So the next time you feel a gentle breeze on your face, be thankful you're not on HD 189733b, a planet where even the air itself is a deadly enemy. Chapter 5, Kepler 78b, The Lava Ocean. Prepare yourselves, fellow space enthusiasts, because we're about to visit a planet that makes a day at the beach seem like a walk in the park. This isn't your typical seaside getaway. This is Kepler 78b, a planet where the ocean is made of molten rock. Imagine a world so close to its star that it completes an orbit in just 8.5 hours. The surface of Kepler 78b is a vast, churning ocean of lava, heated to thousands of degrees by the relentless radiation of its star. So the next time you're lounging on a beach, soaking up the sun, be grateful you're not on Kepler 78b. Chapter 6, WASP 12b, Devoured by its Star. Hold on to your hats, space cadets, because we're about to witness a cosmic tragedy unfolding right before our very eyes. This isn't just another planet, this is WASP 12b, a world on the brink of annihilation, slowly being devoured by its own star. Imagine a planet so close to its sun that its atmosphere is being blasted away into space, forming a giant glowing tail of superheated gas. WASP-12b is a gas giant, similar in size to Jupiter, but it orbits its star at a distance closer than Mercury orbits our Sun. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, spare a thought for WASP-12b, a planet that teaches us that even in the vastness of space, no one is safe from the relentless march of time. Chapter 7, HD 80606b, The Roller Coaster of Temperature. Buckle up, space explorers, because we're about to embark on a wild ride to a planet that makes a roller coaster look like a merry-go-round. This isn't your average planetary orbit. This is HD 80606b, a world of extreme temperature swings that would make even the most seasoned traveler break a sweat. Imagine a planet that swings so close to its star that its temperature skyrockets by hundreds of degrees in a matter of hours, only to plummet back down as it hurtles away into the cold depths of space. This eccentric orbit is due to the planet's highly elliptical path around its star. So the next time you complain about the weather, spare a thought for HD 80606b, a planet where the only constant is change. Chapter 8, TRES-2b, the Planet of Eternal Darkness. Prepare to enter the abyss, space travelers. As we journey to a world so dark, it makes a moonless night seem like broad daylight. This isn't just any ordinary planet. This is TRES-2b, a place where light goes to die, a cosmic black hole that absorbs almost all light that dares to touch its surface. TRES-2b is a gas giant, similar in size to Jupiter. But unlike our brightly colored neighbor, this planet is as black as coal, reflecting less than 1% of the sunlight that falls upon it. So the next time you turn off the lights and enjoy the tranquility of darkness, spare a thought for TRES-2b, a planet where darkness is not just the absence of light, but a powerful force in its own right. Chapter 9, Kepler 10b, The Molten Inferno. Fasten your heat shields, space explorers, because we're about to visit a planet so scorching it would make a blast furnace feel like a walk-in freezer. This isn't your average hot summer day. This is Kepler 10b, a planet where the very ground is a molten inferno, a searing testament to the raw power of the cosmos. Imagine a world twice the density of Earth, but covered in oceans of lava, rivers of molten rock flowing across its surface like fiery arteries. The surface temperature is estimated to be over 1,300 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt iron, let alone human flesh. So the next time you feel a chill in the air, be grateful you're not on Kepler 10b, a planet where even the ground itself is on fire. Chapter 10, PSRB 1257 plus 12b, The Zombie World. Prepare for a journey to the edge of reality, space travelers, as we explore a planet so bizarre, so utterly alien, it defies all known laws of physics and common sense. This isn't just another planet. This is PSRB 1257 plus 12b, a world bathed in the deadly radiation of a pulsar, a cosmic zombie that refuses to die. Imagine a world shrouded in an eerie, pulsing glow, bathed in the high-energy radiation of a rapidly rotating neutron star, a pulsar. PSRB 1257 plus 12b orbits its undead star at a distance closer than Mercury orbits our Sun. But unlike Mercury, this planet is bombarded by a constant stream of deadly radiation. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky and wonder if we're alone in the universe, spare a thought for PSRB 1257 plus 12b, a planet that reminds us that the universe is a vast and mysterious place. These planets are a testament to the vast and varied horrors that exist in our universe. From scorching infernos to icy wastelands, from toxic atmospheres to deadly storms, they remind us of the endless possibilities and dangers that lie beyond our cosmic neighborhood. As we conclude our journey through the cosmic horror show, it's important to remember that these terrifying planets also serve as a stark reminder of the preciousness of our own planet. Earth, with its temperate climate, breathable atmosphere, and life-sustaining water, is a true oasis in the vast cosmic desert. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic adventures.